Right here in Manila Sunset in National City, California,
Manny,
and
your pasta is
I'm waiting for my order.
for you to go whenever you're ready, okay?
Says,
And Wilma?
yeah. Thank you so much. This is nice. And right now I'm waiting my for coffee. Thank you so much.
Let me grab your, here's your creamer and sugars on
Okay.
the side, okay?
Alright, got it. Thank you.
Let me grab your spoon for your coffee.
It's cute. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay.
Next person, I'm going to help you.